So this is Claire, guys. This is Nigeria. Primary region, primary county region is location of people who manage this page and clothes. Nigeria have one person. So this is clear. This is as each Faza and Arab family government official. Why they are using this government official? And after that there is a Nigeria, connected to Nigeria person, or asking they are connecting to the person and then offer something, whatever they offered, and after that they need to pay the royal membership card or gift card or whatever. So it's really sad. So I remember before the person who mentioned the name of H.S. Chikantan Pasa is Henry Rosenthal, who sending enough good message to me. Henry Rosenthal is it's her Facebook account, and in YouTube channel is Annie Peterson. So this is clear that there is another one person who manages account. It is a Nigeria. So okay, so this is clear. I'm not telling the fake. Okay, so I want to check. So this is clear. I am checking some information now. So this is it. So this is it. Wala, busog ako. Wala akong gana. So, this is it, ah. This is clear. So okay, I want to check again. So this is it. It almost there is one, but the owner of this account who handle this is Nigeria. Always remember that. Be careful. So this account I'm going to block. I block this account. I'm not interested. Okay, so no more. I don't want, because it's Nigeria. Okay, so no more. So this is my page. So I am cleaning my Facebook account. I don't want to see also this one. So this is already black because I don't want to see them. Did you see? Congratulations, the one has arrived to build a house for you. They are crazy. So it's okay. So this is me. This is my page. So I continue to watch in my Facebook account. So okay. So this is me. And this is my followers now. 25,242. Okay. It's going up because I unfollow all that fake profiles in Facebook. So good evening, guys, and God bless, and have a nice sleep. Okay.